Welcome to Estetica. I'm Dr. DeLange. It's nice to meet you.
Originally from Czechoslovakia, Kamila Jakubowski now calls South Florida her home. And while she spends much of her time packing for business, one thing she'd like to leave behind is the bulge around her outer thighs.
I cannot get rid of it. It's just been bothering me.
Frustrated with disappointing results from exercise and diet, she reached out to the one place she knew could make a difference, Estetica Institute of the Palm Beaches in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida.
I did my research and I came here for a consultation, and he made me convinced to do it.
I can take care of that for you.
Dr. Gregory DeLange told Kamila about a newer form of fat removal called standing liposuction.
I think we're the only people doing it. I haven't seen this described anywhere, and we pretty much perfected this 5 or 6 years ago, and we use this procedure very commonly.
The patient, in this case Kamila, actually stands during the latter part of the procedure in order for the plastic surgeon to remove the fat with more precision. Equally appealing about this latest technique is the amount of time it takes to perform and the immediate results patients see when it's done.
Ready to go back?
Yes.
Okay. Generally about 30 minutes, and then they're done. And then go home, and they look great, the results are permanent, and they're immediate.
It's just one of the many reasons why hundreds of women and men turn to Estetica Institute for their cosmetic needs.
Well, I think we're unique for several reasons. One, we have 3 board-certified plastic surgeons here that are very well trained, and we pride ourselves on excellent results. 2 is we have 2 certified operating rooms here, and we have about 15 people who have been with me for over 10 years who pride themselves on that personalized care.
He's has a very good reputation, and he's a board-certified plastic surgeon, which I think is very important.
After a few small injections to numb the area, the liposuction begins. As Dr. DeLange works his way to remove the fat around Kamila's thighs, Kamila lays still, yet anxious about the new figure which soon awaits her. It doesn't take long before the nurses prop Kamila up to a standing position. Right away, Dr. DeLange pinpoints the fat deposits still left behind.
And we can see we have a little bit leftover fat there and a little bit left over there.
With his liposuction assist placed firmly in his hand, Dr. DeLange evens out Kamila's thighs. Her 30-minute standing liposuction is complete, and Kamila can't wait to see what lies under her robe.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Her before and immediate after images speak for themselves.
He really knows what he's doing.
Her advice to others in search of a better body image?
Go ahead and do it. It's worth it, and it's not painful.
Yeah, there are a whole bunch of options in facelifts, actually. And don't be confused in the different kind of names of the facelifts. Basically, make sure you communicate your needs to a board-certified plastic surgeon. And for the younger person, maybe in their early 40s, they want just a little bit of a jowl improvement. Maybe in your 50s or 60s, you're probably going to need more of a full facelift. You're going to want the upper face, the mid, and of course, the neck part. And that's more of what we call a full facelift. So be careful, go to a board-certified surgeon, and don't get confused with the names. Make sure you communicate what you want, and you're going to look great.